today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your network adapter is not working on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, you come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the right side, you want to select additional troubleshooters. And then going down underneath find and fix other problems, select where it says network adapter and then run the troubleshooter for that. And then hopefully that would resolve the issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.